So one morning, we all wake up and decide Earth's tallest mountain needs to go. Not climbers, not tourists. The whole thing, 8,848 meters of majestic rock, getting shot into orbit. Just full-on yeet Everest into space. What would that even take, and what happens next? Step 1. Everest by the numbers. Mount Everest weighs roughly 1.6 trillion kilograms. That's the same as 500 million elephants, 4,000 Empire State Buildings, or your baggage fees on a budget airline. To launch it into space, we'd need to accelerate it to orbital velocity, about 28,000 kilometers per hour sideways, or escape velocity, 40,000 plus kilometers per hour upward. Either way, we're going to need a ridiculous amount of energy. Step 2. Rockets? Nope. Bigger. Let's do some math. Launching Everest would require more fuel than all the rockets ever built combined, multiplied by hundreds of thousands. You'd need a rocket bigger than Asia, enough fuel to drain several oceans, and launch pads strong enough to not vaporize on ignition. Also, this is assuming Everest doesn't crumble under its own stress mid-launch. Rocks are not known for their aerodynamic finesse. Step 3. Goodbye geography. Removing Everest leaves a giant hole, a mountain-shaped crater at the border of Nepal and China. A minor inconvenience for two sovereign nations. Local climate would shift, wind patterns change, rivers reroute, the Himalayan ecosystem gets absolutely bulldozed. Tourism gone. Step 4. Everest in space. Let's say we somehow got it up there. Congrats, you've now got the world's most inconvenient satellite. Best case, it enters orbit, circling Earth forever, like a giant floating rock monument to human pettiness. Worst case, it doesn't make orbit and comes back down. At that speed, it becomes a flaming mountain-sized meteor, which, in case you're wondering, is very bad. It would hit Earth with more force than the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. So, maybe we aim it somewhere else, like Mars. Mars could use a mountain. Step 5. Martian Everest? If we launched Everest at Mars and somehow didn't miss, it might help terraform it slightly, but also likely cause a Marsquake strong enough to send dust storms around the entire planet. Final thoughts. Launching Mount Everest into space sounds awesome in theory and catastrophic in every other way. Impossible fuel demands, devastated ecosystems, potential dinosaur-level extinction, and Earth's most expensive game of fetch with Mars. So maybe let's leave Everest where it is, unless Elon Musk really needs a new mountain.